this is the Future Flight Gallery that you can find here at the Boeing Tour. On the far end here, there's a lot of education, interactive education that uses technology that reads your hand locations and your movements, and you can learn a lot about flight in this part of the future flight. Down here, it talks a lot about the history and different parts of some of the models made here at the Boeing Tour. They have a module here, an imitation module of what's Boeing made for the space station, as long as this tail section for a 747. It's 4 stories high. And they also have a kids section down here where kids can play and learn all about, in this case, the Bernoulli principle and other fun things to do that's for children's activities, especially for the kids that are too small to go on the tour.
Over the red dial for 10 seconds. Good. Now hold your hand over the yellow dial for 10 seconds. Almost there. Hold your hand over the orange dial for 5 seconds. Biometric registration complete. Now hold the blue dial over one of the buttons to choose your language.
Marte, el último destino, el viaje más desafiante conocido para nuestro planeta. Debe completar la orientación y obtener su pasaporte para visitar el planeta rojo. La orientación de hoy enfrenta 3 grandes desafíos. Las dificultades...
It's a beautiful day here today, and we're here at the Boeing plant, which is the largest building in the world by cubic volume, right here on the strato deck of Future Flight, which is the launch pad of the Boeing Tour. Here's the shipping and receiving department. You see a little bit of Mount Baker in the background there. And there's a plane about ready to take off. It's going to be one of these DREAMLIFTers over here, you see right over here. Supersized 747. And here's one taking off, if you can see it. And that's what all these people here are taking pictures of. Filming live as it comes down the runway. And this brings parts and pieces in for the Boeing 787. There we are on the Boeing plant. Wow, look a bunch here to see the tour.